Hi guys. What you doing? We hope you guys have some free time because we are going to share about
types of adjusting entries. Adjusting entries can be classified into two. First, accruals. Second, deferrals. What is deferrals? In accounting, a deferral refers to the delay in recognition of an accounting transaction. Deferral can be considered as a prepayment of an expense or revenues. Because it is prepaid, it is not recognized immediately on the income statement. Instead, it is deferred to a balance sheet account and will appear later on the income statement. There are two types of deferral. First, prepaid expense. And second, unearned revenues. Prepaid expense. Prepaid expense is costs that have been paid early but not yet been used up. The amount of prepaid expenses that have not yet expired are reported on a company's balance sheet as an asset. The income statement reports the expired costs. Some examples of prepaid expenses are rent, supplies, and insurance. While unearned revenue is when a company or person receive cash from the customer before performing the service. Receipt of cash is recorded as liability because the service has not been performed yet. What is accrual? In accounting, accruals are those items where the benefits have already been taken by the company, but the payments are not yet paid, or services which already have been provided but payment is not received yet. There are two types of accrual. First, accrued revenues. And second, accrued expense. Accrued revenues. Accrued revenue is revenue for services performed but not yet recorded at the statement date. An adjusting entry for accrued revenues results in an increase, a debit to an asset account and an increase, a credit to revenue account. Accrued expense. Accrued expense is expense incurred but not yet paid or recorded at the statement date. An adjusting entry for accrued expenses result in an increase, a debit to an expense account and an increase, a credit to a liability account. Some examples of accrued expense are interest, taxes, and salaries.
Created using Powtoon.